Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile name on your Steam account. So this is actually really easy. So if I go to my account details, you can see my account is like Your Six Gaming, but my account right here, my profile name is different than my account. So you can easily change this. So if you go on over to where it says Friends and Chats right here and open this up, you can see my profile name up here. We can select the down arrow and we can go to edit profile name. So our account name can be different than our profile name. So I can just change this over to the same thing, Your Six Gaming now, and then go to confirm. It says your avatar and profile name are how you are represented on Steam. Okay, so this is what our friends will see now. Alright, so my name has changed up here. And I am good to go when I start chatting with people, and I don't have any friends on this account. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Gaming. Or Your Six Tech.